Q-tips. So they are just such a household staple. They are fantastic. I use them for so much. I use them for cleaning off like my makeup under my eyes. I use them for cleaning those like hard to reach areas. If there's any like gunk like in my watch or in my phone, I just grab Q-tips and I use them out. I also use them for applying like Vaseline on my kiddos if they ever need that petroleum jelly. Any other medication that just needs to stay clean, that's what I'll use. It is just, they're Q-tips. Everyone has to have them in their house. They have so many purposes. I cannot recommend them enough. So if you're looking just for like an easy way to snag some tips that have cotton on the ends, I use them for taking off nail polish, and I use them for like cleaning up around my nails. There's just a million and one ways to use a Q-tip. And so if you are needing something that like, man, I need to clean something off or I need to use it for anything, I could not highly recommend Q-tips more to you. They're just fantastic.